Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a template to an existing presentation in PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the template I want to apply to my existing presentation. If we want to apply template, we need to save the template as PowerPoint template format. I'm going to go to the file and then we can click on save as. And I'm just going to save it here, for example, and then make sure you choose this PowerPoint template format. Okay, click on save, and then I'm going to go back to my existing presentation. And if we want to apply the template, we just need to go to the design, click on the symbol, and then you're going to you're going to click on this browse for themes. Okay, and I'm going to apply this template. Just click on apply. Okay, and now the template theme has been applied to this presentation. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply a template to an existing presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.